Hey guys, Dave from KDN here. I just want to give you a couple of tips and tricks on some of the features on our shifter. This right here is the 232 lockout. This block goes up and down. Now, the 232 lockout, fifth and reverse, is disabled because the set screw is not out. So I'm going to show you real quick. On this side of the shifter, this is going to lock fifth and reverse. The way you want to do that is you want to thread in this set screw until it barely touches this block. Okay, what that's going to do, it's going to keep you from being able to travel towards that side of the shifter. Now you need to lift this collar and go over that set screw to go fifth and reverse. Same thing for your 232 lockout. You want to take the lower set screw, thread it in until it barely touches this steel block. The same thing, that's going to block you from going towards this side, which is the second row. So once you come out of second and into third, that block is going to go down and it's going to prevent you from going towards the left. So this feature is standard across all of our shifter, whether you order the 121 lockout or not. This is going to come with it.